Children, welcome back to our math session. Today we are solving exercise 2.3 of linear equation in one variable. Let's start. In this exercise, we are solving equations having the variable on both sides. The first question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Here, 3x and 2x both are variables. 3x is on left side and 2x is on right side. Now we have to move this right side 2x to left side. Their positive integer is there, so shift it into negative, means minus. Plus is there, it will change as minus. Now in left side you can see 3x minus 2x, that is equal to 18. So 3 minus 2, 1, means x. X is equal to 18. So the solution of x is 18. So the solution you can see in the right side. Then in this question we have to check our answer also. By checking, we can put the value of x is equal to 18 in our question. So here LHS is 3x and RHS 2x plus 18. Put the value of x as 18. So 3 into x means 3 into 18. That is equal to 54 in LHS side. Then in RHS side, 2 into x means 2 into 18 and plus 18. 2 18, 36. 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. So we got both the sides 54, isn't it? So LHS is equal to RHS. We proved it, means our answer is correct. Now question number 2. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Here you can see variables are there in both the sides and constant also in both the sides. Means in left side 5t minus 3. Variable is also there, constant also is there. The same way RHS 3t minus 5. There also variable and constant both are there. Now we have to shift variable to left side and constant to right side. In next step you can see here from right side 3t we have to shift left side, and from left side 3 we have to shift right side. So here 3t, that is a positive number. So shift it as minus. So in left side it will come as minus 3t. And in left side here minus 3 is there. It will change as plus 3. So now we got 5t minus 3t is equal to minus 5 plus 3. So what is the answer? 5 minus 3, 2. 2t is equal to minus 2. Minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. So t is equal to minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1. So we got the value of t is equal to minus 1. The solution is given. You can go through. Now we can check our answer. What value we have to put? Here we have to put t is equal to minus 1. So left side 5t minus 3 is there. Right side 3t minus 5. So 5 into minus 1 minus 5, then minus 3. Both negative integers, so answer add it together and put a minus sign. So 5 plus 3, 8. Sign is minus. So left side we got minus 8. The same way right side. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, then minus 5. Here also both are negative integers, add it together and put minus sign. So 3 plus 5, 8. The sign is minus. So we got both the sides same answers, isn't it? So LHS is equal to RHS. We proved. So our answer is correct. Now third question. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Here also from left side constant we have to shift right side, and from right side shift variable to left. Left side we can see 5x plus 9 and right side 5 plus 3x. So from right we will take 3x to left side, and from left side 9 we have to shift to right side. Both are positive integers and it will change as a minus, a negative. So we will get 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. So 5 minus 3, 2. So left side we will get 2x and right side 5 minus 9. That is equal to minus 4. So the value of x minus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 2. So we got the value of y is equal to minus 2. Now we can check our answer by putting the value of x is equal to minus 2. Left side 5x plus 9 and right side 5 plus 3x. So here x, the value is minus 2. So 5 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 10. Now minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 negative integer plus 9 positive. So different sign, subtract 10 minus 9, 1. Then what is the sign of 10? Minus. So minus 1 is the answer. So left side we got minus 1. Now see right side. Right side 5 plus 3 into minus 2. That is 5 plus minus 6. Here also different sign. So subtract 6 minus 5, 1. The sign of 6 minus. So minus 1. So here we got both the sides. The answer is minus 1. So LHS is equal to RHS, proved. So our answer is right. Now question number 4. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. So here also both the sides we are having variable and constant both. Now from left side plus 3 we have to shift right side. So it will change as minus. Then from right side we have to take 2z to left. So that is plus 2z. It will also change as a minus. So we will get in left side 4z minus 2z and right side 6 minus 3. So 4 minus 2, 2. So left side 2z is equal to 6 minus 3, 3. So what is the value of z? Z is equal to 3 upon 2. So that is the value of z. Now we have to check by putting the value of z is equal to 3 upon 2. So here left side we are having 4z plus 3. So 4 into 3 upon 2 plus z. In 4, 2 times. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So left side we got 9. Same way right side. 6 plus 2 into 3 upon 2. 2 into 1 times. So 6 plus 3, 9. RHS also we got 9. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Verified. So our answer is correct. Now question number 5. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Here left side 2x minus 1 and right side 14 minus x. From left side minus 1 move to right side. Minus a, it will change plus. From right it will come minus x as plus x. Now see 2x plus x is equal to 14 plus 1. Now see the solution. 2x plus x, 3x. 14 plus 1, 15. So 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 upon 3. So the value of x is equal to 5. Now we can check by putting the value of x is equal to 5. Left side 2x minus 1 means 2 into 5 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Same way RHS 14 minus x. So 14 minus the value of x is 5. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. LHS is equal to RHS. So proved, our answer is right. Now question number 6. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Here left side 8x plus 4, right side 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Right side you can see 3 is common for x and minus 1 both. So we have to multiply 3 with x also and minus 1 also. So next step you can see 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 that is equal to 4. Different sign subtraction 7 minus 3 4. So we got 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4. Now from left side plus 4 will shift right side as minus 4. Then from 3x take left side as minus 3x. So we got 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4. So the solution 8 minus 3 5. 5x is equal to 4 minus 4 0. So x is equal to 0 upon 5, that is equal to 0. So we got the value of x is 0. Now check your answer. By putting the value of x is equal to 0. Left side it is 8x plus 4. So 8 into 0 plus 4. 8 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. So we got left side 4. Now see right side. 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So 3 into the value of x is 0. 0 minus 1 plus 7. 0 minus 1 minus 1. So next 3 into minus 1 plus 7. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 7. Different sign subtraction. So 7 minus 3 4. So right side also we got 4. LHS is equal to RHS. Proved, our answer is correct. Now question number 7. The question is x is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. Here left side only x is there and right side 4 upon 5 into x plus 10 is there. Isn't it? We can do it in an easy method. How? 5 we can shift it to left side, means cross multiply. So 5 into x, 5x. So now we will get left side 5x and then right side 4 into x plus 10. 4 should multiply by x and 10 both. So 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 10, 40. Now we got left side 5x and right side 4x plus 40. Now from right side 4x will take to left side by minus, because plus 4x is there, then it will change as a minus. So now we are getting 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. 5 minus 4, 1. Means the solution is x is equal to 40. Now we can check our answer by putting the value of x is equal to 40. So left side only x is there, means the value we can put there. So 40 is in left side. Now right side 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. Instead of x we can put there 40. So 4 upon 5 into 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. Then 5 in 50, 10 times. So 4 into 10, 40. Now we got 40 in both sides. LHS is equal to RHS. So our answer is correct. Now we can solve question number 8. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Left side 2x upon 3 plus 1 and right side 7x upon 15 plus 3. Here also both the sides we can see variables and constant, isn't it? So fractions are given. So do properly, listen carefully and solve. Okay. So here from left side plus 1 we have to shift right side plus 1 is there, then change it as a minus 1. And from right side, we have to take 7x upon 15, that's a positive integer, will come as a minus. So now we will get 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15. Fraction है, unlike denominator है, so we have to take LCM. So 15 will be the LCM. So 5 is multiplying with it, 2x upon 3. So 2 5s are 10. Now you see the solution. Numerator we will get 10x minus 7x upon 15 is equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Now 10 minus 7, 3. So 3x upon 15 is equal to 2. Yeah, directly you can shift 15 to right side. 3x is equal to 2 into 15. So 3x is equal to 30 we got. Now x is equal to 30 upon 3 is equal to 10. So now we got the value of x is 10. Now we can check our answer by putting the value of x is equal to 10. Left side it is given 2x upon 3 plus 1. So putting the value of x is 10, then 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1. 20 upon 3 plus 1. So 3 is the LCM, 3 should multiply with 1. So 20 plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 23 upon 3. So left side we got 23 upon 3. Now see right side. 7x upon 15 plus 3. 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3. 70 upon 15. Here we know that 70 and 15. HCF is there, isn't it? Common factor is there. So 5, we can divide both 70 and 15. So what we will get? 14 upon 3. 14 5s are 70. 3 5s are 15. So 14 upon 3 plus 3. Now take LCM, there's 3. So 3 3s are 9. 14 plus 9 upon 3. So 14 plus 9 is 23. Denominator 3. So 23 upon 3. RHS also we got 23 upon 3. So we got LHS is equal to RHS. So our answer is right. Now we can solve question number 9. 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. Left side it is 2y plus 5 upon 3. And right side it is 26 upon 3 minus y. So here from left side plus 5 upon 3, we have to shift the right side. Plus is there, so minus. It will change as minus 5 upon 3. The same way from right side minus y is there, that we can take as plus y. So now we are getting 2y plus y is equal to 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. It's very simple. Solution you can see 2y plus y, 3y. And right side also denominators are same. So directly we can subtract the numerator. 26 minus 5, 21. So we will get 3y is equal to 21 upon 3. 21 upon 3 means 7. 7 3s are 21. So 3y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 upon 3. So we got the answer y is equal to 7 upon 3. That is the value of y. Now we can check our answer by putting the value of y is equal to 7 upon 3. First we can see LHS side. In LHS, 2y plus 5 upon 3. So 2 into y. Y means here value 7 upon 3. So 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 19 upon 3. So left side we got 19 upon 3. Now see right side. Right side it is given 26 upon 3 minus y. So here minus y we can put it minus 7 upon 3. So 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. 26 minus 7, that is 19. So right side also we got 19 upon 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. So our answer is correct. Now we can solve our last question. Question number 10. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. Left side we can see 3m and right side it is 5m minus 8 upon 5. So from right side, we can take 5m to left side. Plus 5m, shift it as minus 5m. So now we got 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now see the solution, 3 minus 5 minus 2. So left side we are getting minus 2m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Both the side negative integer is there, isn't it? So we can cut the sign directly there. So now 2 will move to right side. 2 is multiplying, then we can divide. So m is equal to 8 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. So 2 in 8, 4 times. So we will get m is equal to 4 upon 5. Therefore, the value of m is 4 upon 5. Now we can check our answer by putting the value of m is equal to 4 upon 5. First we can see left side. Left side it is given 3m, means 3 into m. So the value of m is 4 upon 5. So 3 into 4 upon 5. 3 4s are 12. So in left side we are getting 12 upon 5. Same way we can see right side also. Right side it is given 5m minus 8 upon 5. 5m means 5 into m. So here 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. 5 4s are 20. So 20 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. 20 minus 8, 12. So right side also we are getting 12 upon 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. So our answer is correct. Here we are completing our exercise 2.3. Okay. Note down all the answers in your notebook and practice it well. Okay. So, thank you.